Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to reset forgotten password in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to reset your forgotten password in Doordash, all you need to do is simply tap open your Doordash app and simply tap on continue with email. Once you do this, you will end up in this type of interface where all you need to do is type in your email address and hit in the continue button. So once you tap on continue to sign in, tap on login with password and you will end up in this page. So simply tap on reset password. Once you do this, you need to type in the email address and tap on the reset password option. After this, you will simply get a reset password link in your email address. So simply tap on your mailbox and tap on the mail sent by Doordash. So once you're in the mail section of Doordash, simply tap on the link that has been sent to you in your email address and you will be redirected to an external link leading to this kind of page where all you need to do is simply type in the new password and retype in your password and hit the reset password option to get your password resetted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.